Hello everyone, I'm Cristiano. Welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of AppWatch. There are some improvements that I want to show you guys. And of course, there is like a major improvement that is the notification system. So let's dive in. Oh, before I forget, if you haven't checked the first video, check it out. It's going to explain what AppWatch is all about. And if you have already watched it, you're going to see some new things over here. So let's dive in. This is the login page. Nothing has changed. You can still log in, register, or log in with Google. If you forgot your password, you can, enter email. You're going to get a token and some inputs to change your password. That's the same. I'm going to show you guys this later on, probably in the next video. I don't know. I'm going to make a series of videos showing you guys how to do it by yourself. Like I'm going to write the code with you. So don't worry about it. Right now, I'm just want to show you guys some improvements and okay. No more wasting time. So you can log in. I'm going to log in with my admin account just to show you guys two new pages that I've added to the website. This is the for admin account only. So before we have the error logs, you can see all the errors and the users. You can see all the users. Right now you can see all the websites also and the routes. I added up these two new pages, to make it easier for you guys as an admin account to see what's going on, for you to manage them, for management. So this is the first one, the first improvement, of course, and I'm going to show you right now the second major improvement. That is the notification system. As you can see right here in the general preferences, you can see like there's a new option, and I'm going to read it out. You you will receive an email notification informing you of the route or website that has stopped working. So if you activate this button right here, so do you want to activate? Hold on. You can activate it, and you're going to get an email per day, per day, per user, of course, telling you which route or which website is not working. So I set it up some limits, not to overload my database or my backend account. So okay, I'm going to show you right now an example. So stick with me. So I'm going to log out because this is the admin account. This email doesn't exist, so I'm going to see like the email from notification. So I'm going to log in with my, well, there is like my Hotmail, and that is a real one. So I have right here, as you can see, there's no profile image, but my, welcome to the dashboard mastery. So there's my email. I'm going to log in with my Hotmail account and show you guys wh- how is how this notification system actually works. So right now I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to add like a API route or website, and let me check it like API free tests. Mm, Free public API for development. Okay, this is not what I want. Maybe like an API public. Yeah, there's like 10 free APIs, the cat API. So, what is this? Let me see. So this is the website and this is the route, right? Okay, okay. We can check it out, right? So let me. Oh, click on this and get a random. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let me just grab this and let's edit this website. This is the route, right? Yeah, there we go. View one image search is going to respond with a random image from a cat, right? Random cat image. I believe that is right. I don't know. Let's see. It's at least the website it is online. Let me try the API. Oh, it's working. So Let me add a route that doesn't exist for me to get a like a error. Not gonna work. Not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I hope so. Because if it's, oh, okay, it's not working. So I probably going to get an email telling me that it's not working, right? Wait a second. So guys, I just got the email telling me about the error in the route, and I want to show you guys. I just got the email. So the user you have detected error in the route not gonna work on your website render cat image. So it's working. I just got this email, and this is the message, the error 404. So it's working, and this is the response that we got. It's working, right? And there we go. It's the notification system is working. And now I'm going to show you guys the code. So guys, this is the code, the backend code. This is the main file for us right now because everything about the notification, checking websites, checking the routes, everything about like the main part, the core of the website is here. Probably I'm going to separate afterwards in different files for different responsibilities. I should do that, but right now everything is here, and it's going to make my life easier for to explain everything that is happening. So first of all, I'm going to set some limits for the user. If you're a user, the maximum amount of website that you can register is 10 websites. It's a lot, right? For each website, you can register 20 routes. Maybe there like that's a good amount, right? So I should like step down just a little bit, maybe. I don't know. It's it's up to you. It's up for you guys to decide. I mean, the code is public, so you can download and change it. And well, this backend it's I have done with Nest. So as you can see, we have constructor, and we are doing like we have like the repository, the gateway. The gateway is responsible for the WebSocket. From the backend, we are sending to the front end if the routes and the website are working because the as you can see right over here, down here actually, the method every 30 minutes we are going to check website all of the website and routes if they are working or not, and we are going to say to you guys if any website or route fails, we are going to send you an email telling about that. So all right then, let's check some functions over here. We have the main function that check website and routes. From this function, we are going to see if the routes. Actually, the first thing we are going to do is check the website. If the website are working, we are going to upload. Actually, not if the website are working or not. If the latest update from the status, we are going to put in the model, in the table. I mean, it's the sites checks. It's going to update the status from the website. From there, we can like tell if the website are working or not, and tell the user from the backend to the front end. Oh, it's online or it's not online. After that, you're going to check every route. This is a loop through each route of the website, and to check the route if they're online or offline. If the response is a success or like a failure. As you can see over here in our website, the random cat image, the first one is successful and the second one is a failure. It's a 404. And after that, we are going to collect and check if there any route with error and send a status update to the user through the gateway. Hell yeah, my friend. Here we go. Here is where the fun begins. And we are going to send notifications based on the status of the website and its routes. So like I did before, like if I add another route here and I click in this button, it's going to do the upload and check if this is working and send through our WebSocket to the front end, and it's going to appear here if there is a success or not success, a failure. So here we go. This is the part where I did like last week that I typed 5 days ago. Yeah. So I first of all, this is a function where it's going to send you an email notification. And first of all, you're going to fetch the user details because we need the email and find the last email to send to the user. And we have a model for that, like a table. There's like email logs. If there's, oh, there's none. This is offline. So if if I access the database online, I'm going to see my email. And from there, you're going to see if there is like an email sent more than 20 hours ago because I have a set a limit for each user. If you are a user, a client, you're going to get only one email per day. But I have 10 websites and 20 routes for each website. I don't care. You're going to get just one email. I did that because I don't want to overload my backend. And you can change that. You can change this for like 2 hours. It's up to you for you to decide. But if I mean this is online, right? So I'm not going to change because I don't want you, Imagine if there's like 100 clients doing this. I don't want to overload my backend or my Gmail, anything like that. A- After that, we're going to send you the notification email. There's a mail service right here. I'm going to show you guys. It's a private, and there we go. There's the send website error notification, send route error notification, and the the recover password email. I just put everything that is going to send you a mail over here, and there's a template over here, and there's the website error, route error, recover password. All the templates are here. You guys can download and change this for English. Well, well, well. Look at that. After we send the emails, we can have like the. First of all, I want to say something to you guys. First, we're going to try if the website are okay. If they are like offline, I'm not going to check the routes and give and send you emails telling about the routes. I mean, doesn't make a sense. Doesn't like, you know, work it out that way, right? If the website are down, I'm just going to send you a notification telling you the website went down. It's offline, and just one notification per day. That's all you're gonna get. But there's like a difference between route and website notification because the route is going to tell you exactly which routes are like have a error. I'm so sorry about that. So that's it. There's like the check website. How it does it work? I set it up headers with token if provided. If you don't provide a token, I'm not going to use it. And then I'm going to return the status based on the response. If there's a response, it's online. If there's not, it's offline. It's very simple. And there's like other functions right here. I didn't comment on them because I didn't think it was like necessary. Find all websites. I mean, it's the name says it all, right? Check route, and it's going to check the routes. So I'm doing like this is interesting because I'm checking if you type the dash, and I'm cutting the dash off and doing by myself. S- You know, just for because sometimes the user doesn't give that slash or put one or two slash by the end, and this is going to fix that for us. So that's all. I mean, that's the notification. That's the templates over here, the function I just showed you guys. It's very simple. I did with Nest, and there are some like new additions that I've done. Like I have done like this is the jest for testing file. So I'm using the Nest testing, and it's pretty simple. I'm going to test if the creating user like the function is working and find by email and find all, find by UID update. I'm testing every function, and if npm run tests, I believe that's the it's going to run. I have only three files for testing. I meant to do more, but everything passed, so it's all fine. And I have an integration test that I just did not so long ago, 3 days ago. I have to, do more functions over here. It's just a fake database that I'm like copying, cloning, and trying to do the exactly same thing. And this is an integration test. It's pretty normal. It's pretty, I mean, it's basic, right? I have to do more tests over here. And that's it. That's all for this video. Uh, Probably in the next video, I'm going to try to, do like whole tutorials from the scratch to actually delivering a website, and from the zero to deploy. I think that's an important thing to do. And I'm going to type all the code with you guys, explain everything that I'm doing. I think it's like a good way for me to practice my English and also my coding skills. Sometimes you have to explain to the duck, and this is my duck. And sometimes I don't. I know how to do it, but I really don't know how to explain it. And for me to do these videos, to writing these comments and reading out loud to explain take some time to get used. So comment on the comment section below, hit the subscribe button, share with your friends. This is the second part. The next part, I'm going to show you more about the code, more about the testing code and the front end code. And maybe in the fourth part, I don't know, maybe maybe down the road I'm going to do like how I did AppWatch from the scratch to deployment, and I'm going to take step by step, write the code with you guys. So did you guys enjoy it? I hope so. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.